What's up folks, welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best mirror dashcam on the market. We can jump straight to the video without wasting any time. Do check out the description for more info and its pricing. Best overall, Wolfbox 12. The Wolfbox Mirror dashcam is different from most other dashcams on the business. It hooks onto your current rear view mirror and acts as a mirror, a camera, and a touchscreen display. This innovative new design is both discreet and incredibly user-friendly. The design and build quality of the Wolfbox Mirror dashcam is excellent. The IPS full touchscreen display is both a rear-view mirror and an interface for the camera. On the back of the IPS, the touchscreen is the full HD camera. On top of the front unit are the inputs for the rear camera and the GPS antenna. Below is the display's on-off switch. Updated from the most rear-view mirror cameras, Wolfbox 170-degree front and 140-degree rear lens present an ultra-wide view, minimizing the blind spots for safe driving/reversing. With the smart screen split function, you can see a dual lens display concurrently. With a 2.5D curved screen, the body is more smooth and more fitting for the curvature of the human retina. With a built-in high-quality chip, Wolfbox Mirror camera records front and back with a high resolution of full HD 1080p. When the front camera records, when only the front camera records, it can be up to 1296p. The car camera applied an upgraded low-reflectivity LCD to reduce reflection during the day. Best value, Carshet 2.5K. Carshet T12 Mirror dashcam is provided with a 2.5K high-definition front camera and 1080p rear backup camera. High-definition video gets rid of the boundaries of ordinary rear-view mirrors and presents you with more details. Setting up the front view camera is amazingly simple. You hold it to your rear-view mirror, use whichever rubber retention strips fit your mirror, and you're good to go. Plug it into the 12-volt outlet, referred to as the cigarette lighter receptacle in the instruction manual, and you'll hear a chime letting you know that it's on and working. The 12-inch IPS screen and the front 170-degree and rear 160-degree field of view have a wider and clearer field of view than traditional rear-view mirrors and reduce visual blind spots. The sensitive full-touch screen makes the operation easier. The intelligent voice control system covers all the voice commands you need to use, freeing your hands. You don't need to be distracted to adjust the mirror dashcam when driving. GPS tracking system records all the routes you have been, a map belonging to you alone. Overall, this is a good product, depending on your use case. At $170, the price tag is a little abrupt for someone like me, who already has a backup camera and won't use about half of the highlights of this device. You can just get a backup camera for a much more affordable price. Best Premium, AutoVox V5 Pro. The AutoVox V5 Pro beats all comers if you're in search of the best backup camera that can look forward as well as behind. That's because the AutoVox V5 Pro is essentially a backup camera and a dashcam all rolled into one, and it's got much more to offer too. The V5 Pro combines into your car by substituting your existing rear-view mirror. There's GPS tracking and the camera's set to record if a collision is detected or if your car is being broken into. The AutoVox V5 Pro ships in 3 different parts: a front camera, a back camera, and a GPS antenna. Let's take a look at each of them in turn. The AutoVox V5 Pro brings a lot of value to the table because it completely replaces your rear-view mirror. It provides for a neat, clutter-free windshield. The back camera is comparatively easy to install, and both cameras run on power from your fuse box. Not only is it efficient as a dashcam, but it's a fabulous parking camera. The lack of cloud storage might be a downside for some people. Best triple cam setup. Poor Mito. Owning a dashcam is very helpful for drivers and car owners alike. It is beneficial particularly for recording journeys and traveling while on the road. It can help you steer clear of false accusations and get yourself the proper insurance compensation for specific claims in a more serious context. Wolfbox HD mirror camera comes in a vast 12-inch camera with 3 channels. The camera records the rear, front, and even the interior of the car itself, all in synchronous time. With this, drivers will be able to guarantee the safety of the vehicle as well as the passengers, recognizing that there are monitors inside and outside the vehicle. The camera can move at a 360-degree angle, so it covers the whole landscape. If you're concerned about protection or encountering obstacles on your path while traveling, the dashcam will be capable of monitoring it for you, no problem. The front camera catches a 170-degree angle, while the back camera takes a 150-degree view. Furthermore, the inside view camera can record in a 140-degree view. All 3 records concurrently, so you can be protected while driving and parking, particularly in constricted areas. One bizarre thing about this product is its anti-glare screen trait, which also spotlights the no overexposure flare of the Wolfbox D50. The laminated screen retains the sunlight from bothering your clear view of the camera's footage, even during solid weather. Best small screen, aka SO. Do you fancy a mirror dash camera with a smaller screen? If yes, this one with 10 inches screen is a decent choice for you. The 1080p clarity does not disappoint either. The rear view of 170 degrees enables you to take the details quickly. Both the cameras have the same clarity and the same capturing angle. In other words, the performance of both cameras is outstanding. The highlight of this mirror dash camera is the Sony IMX307 sensor. The f1.86 glass lens can help it in low light situations as well. The clarity with this camera presents in low light situations makes it a reliable and ideal choice. When you're reversing the car, the screen automatically switches to the back camera view that enables you to reverse quickly. The 170-degree view presents maximum coverage. Cumulatively, both cameras give you a viewing angle of 340 degrees. The cameras improve your visibility significantly. You also get a 32GB SD card along with it that enables you to store the whole feed. The SD card facilitates loop recording. The parking monitor's peculiarity helps you in utilizing it as a surveillance camera. Not only that, but there is a G sensor on offer that detects the collision and locks the video automatically. The waterproof nature of the camera helps durability and makes certain that wear and tear is not a problem. Also, the rear view camera is such that you can utilize it as a parking monitor 24/7.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.